Hi guys, welcome back, and today we are going to be doing a little vlog. And I look good with my sunglasses.
Okay.
But yes, today we are going to be doing a little vlog, and this vlog is because I'm going away to camp. I'm going away to camp for a week. It's a sleepaway camp. And yeah.
Guys, I'm not ready for that.
She's not ready for that, guys. And I don't.
Sleep away.
Never been to a sleepaway camp before, guys. And she's not ready. She still don't know if she's taking me yet, cause she doesn't want me to go. And I kind of don't want to go because I will leave her here, but I've never been to one, and I wanna like know, like, have you guys ever been to a sleepaway camp before? And if you have, comment down below what it is like. But yeah, it has like you can like I forgot, but there's like swimming, there's zip lining, there's all kinds of activities.
Oh my god! Wow!
So yeah, I'm excited for that. And I go to sleepaway camp on.
As you go, you're leaving.
I'm leaving the sleepaway camp on Sunday. So
This Sunday.
Today's Friday.
Which is like 2 days away. Which is like anxiety attack. Which is like, am I really gonna do this? Which is like, do I really want to do this? No, I do not. I'll be alright, guys. I think.
Yeah, she's gonna be alright, guys. I don't think she's gonna be alright.
She need the experience. She need the breakaway.
You can't survive without me.
I really can't.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
I'll be alright.
Let me give you a hug.
Such a faker.
You are faking too.
You're such a faker.
But anyways, guys, so in between these 2 days, tomorrow I'm getting my hair done, and we're going to get some stuff, because I still need stuff to pack in my suitcase. I need like pajamas, and I need some toothpaste, and yeah, we're still getting stuff ready. But today we're gonna go to Old Navy and maybe Target, and I'll see you then. Okay? Hold on tight. Just wait for me. You can do that. You can do that? Okay. I'll see you when I get to Old Navy or Target. I don't know. Bye. Okay guys, we're in Old Navy now, and we can't find any PJs or pajamas, so we might go to Target. Since we'll keep looking, but we might go to Target. So now we're going to Target because, well, we're going to try Target now to see if...
Boy, if you don't get.
I'm sure Target probably have it.
Yeah, to see if they have any PJs.
Target is the go-to store for everything.
Yes.
Target.
Can you believe Old Navy doesn't have any PJs?
But they don't have it in stores. They have it online. I'm not in the mood to shop online because you need it before Sunday.
Yeah. No, it'll come late, and then I'll have no PJs. So we're going to Target now. Hey guys, we're at Target now, and Target is like 10 steps away from Old Navy, so it wasn't that long to get here. I got toothpaste, body wash, lotion, and I got a little scrunchy thing. Okay, so we're back in the car, and we got some more stuff from Target. So, where's the front of this? Okay. I think this is the front. Okay. So I got a pajama sleepwear. This top, and I got this pants, and I like it so much, guys. I like it so much. And then I also got some lotion, this is body wash. This is body wash, Olay body wash, and it smells, guys, it smells so good. Smells so good. And guys, I got bug spray, mosquito bug spray, because I don't want to get any mosquito bites while I'm at camp. And I got some CeraVe lotion. And I got some Tom's toothpaste. And lastly, I got a scrunchy thing. I call this a scrunchy thing. A scrunchy thing that you use to wash yourself with. It's called a scrunchy thing. And yeah, that's what we got from Target. And now we're gonna go to Staples because we have to get some stuff we have to get like labels or something. But yeah, I think I'll see you back in the car, okay? Okay guys, so we're back from Staples, and guys, I got a pouch, like this whole bag, and it has this pouch. Oh, it feels good. It has flowers on it and stuff. This little pouch, and I got this medium pouch. It's like, this looks like for makeup or something.
It do look like makeup, but you ain't putting makeup in there.
And I got this humongous, ginormous Guntosaurus pouch, guys.
It's for your essential, like your toothpaste, your medicine, your stuff like that.
Yep. And we got the, what's this? What is that for?
For your hair.
Oh, it is.
Wow.
It even came for stuff from my hair, like little
Scrunchies.
Yeah. But yeah, that's nice.
Guys, I'm buying all this stuff for Cam. I don't think she's going camp because I can't do it to sleepaway camp.
Okay, she can't take it.
Sleep away from me for a whole week. I don't think I'm ready.
Guys, if you see her face, she's like, she doesn't want me to go because she's gonna miss me. So yeah, and we have one more stop for my, and we also got Sharpies. And then we have one more stop for my medicine, right? And guys, I can't go a day without my medicine. I need my medicine. So we're going to restock on medicine. So we're going to CVS, and I'll see you.
They don't know why you need medicine.
Oh, we're right.
It's not because she's crazy, guys.
No, I don't know. It's not because I'm crazy. It's because I have sickle cell, and
she has the medicine she takes daily. So she cannot go camp without it.
Nope. And yeah, guys, I'll see you when we go to CVS. Okay?
You're not going to CVS.
Here we are.
That's not where you pick up this medicine. You got to go to the hospital.
Oh yeah, this type of medicine we have to go to the hospital for. So yeah, I'll see you then. Okay, guys. So we got Chick-fil-A for lunch. Guys, I love Chick-fil-A. My mom says it's too salty. I don't think so.
Chick-fil-A is salty.
And the best sauce is the Chick-fil-A sauce.
What do you call it?
Just Sunjoy. So guys, we got the new Sunjoy. I got the new peach drinks. We got the new peach drinks, but I got the peach Sunjoy, which is lemonade and tea mixed together. And my mom got.
Can you try it first?
Okay. Where's the? Oh. So I'm gonna be trying the new peach Sunjoy for you guys. Okay, guys.
You need help?
Yes, please. God, I'm excited.
I think I need help.
Okay, we got it. Okay, guys, ready? Woo. Okay, 3, 2, 1, cheers.
Do you taste the peach?
Mhm.
Does it taste like joy? This is called Sunjoy. Why would it name?
It doesn't taste like sun though.
Crack me up.
I mean, like, I can taste the peach. I can taste the tea. I don't taste no lemonade.
They didn't say lemonade. It says
Yeah.
peach lemonade and
Yeah, tea.
oh,
I kind of only taste the tea.
they didn't put enough lemonade.
Yeah, I give this a 7 out of 10. And then, can I try yours? Okay. And then my mom got the peach lemonade. Okay. I mean, not lemonade, the milkshake. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1, cheers. Oh my God, yours is so good. It's so good. Guys, oh my God. It's so good. Oh my God. Yours is so good. That's a 10 out of 10. Yours is so good. Why does yours be so good?
Good. Guys, she's crying because she wants it.
Why did you get the good one? But anyways, guys. Yeah, and I also got a chicken sandwich, and she got some 12-piece chicken. And yeah, that's what we got for lunch. And I'm so sad because she got the good one.
Not 12-piece chicken, but chicken nuggets. I'm not a glutton.
Oh. She got 12-piece chicken nuggets, guys. And yeah, that's what we got from Chick-fil-A. And we're going to eat this food, and I'll see you later. Hi, guys. I'm back home. And yeah, that was it, guys. That was the end of the vlog. And tomorrow, I'm getting my hair done. I'm getting my hair braided. And guys, it's going to be really nice. And I might take you along with me. So, yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you on my next video.